Hi everyone, how are you doing and thanks for checking in today. Today's video will walk you through on how to highlight duplicates in Excel. Open up your Microsoft Excel on your PC, then in your files on your spreadsheet, you can find many duplicates here. So, you select all the values in the table. Now, in the Home tab, you click on Conditional Formatting. Now click on Highlight Cell Rows and you click on Duplicate Values. So you can select your preferred colors from the options provided to highlight your duplicates here. You can select this. Now once you're done with your selection, you click on the OK button here and your duplicate values will be highlighted. So that's it guys. That's how you highlight duplicates in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video and would like to get more of this, please like and subscribe for more useful content like this. Bye guys. See you soon.